If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Stamps in Acrobat let you add a stamp to a PDF page. Acrobat comes with several preset stamps for business, like approving a document or showing where to add a signature to a document. You can also create your own custom stamps in Acrobat if needed. To add a preset stamp to the current PDF page in Acrobat, click the Draw button in the Quick Tools panel and then select the Stamps palette choice to open the Stamps window. Use the drop-down at the top of the Stamps window to select which category of stamps to show in the scrollable list of stamps, which then appears below the drop-down. Click the stamp to add to the PDF in the listing of stamps, and then hover your mouse pointer over the page in the PDF. A faded preview of the stamp appears at the end of the mouse pointer. Place the faded preview of the stamp over the place in the PDF page at which to add the stamp, and then click once to add it to the page. Alternatively, to cancel adding the stamp after selecting it in the Stamps window, select a different tool like the Select tool from the Quick Tools panel. To add a stamp to the Favorite Stamps category that appears in the drop-down menu of the Stamps window, right-click the desired stamp in the list within the Stamps window, and then select the Add Stamp to Favorites command in the pop-up contextual menu. Conversely, to remove a favorite stamp, right-click the stamp you added to the Favorites list, and then select the Remove Stamp from Favorites command in the pop-up menu. Stamps in the Dynamic category in Acrobat show information you enter in Acrobat. To add or edit this stamp identity information in Acrobat, right-click any stamp in the Stamps window, and then select the Edit Identity command from the pop-up contextual menu to open an Identity Setup dialog box. Enter your desired identity information into the fields in this dialog box, and then click the Complete button to finish. To create a custom stamp in Acrobat from an existing image file, click the Import button at the top of the Stamps window to open the Select Image for Custom Stamp dialog box. To select the image file to use for the custom stamp, then click the Browse button in this dialog box to launch an Open dialog box. Use this Open dialog box to navigate to the image file, click it to select it, and then click the Open button to return to the Select Image for Custom Stamp dialog box. Then click the OK button in the Select Image for Custom Stamp dialog box to open a Create Custom Stamp dialog box. To add the custom stamp to one of Acrobat's existing stamp categories, select it from the category dropdown. Alternatively, to create a new stamp category, type a new stamp category name into this drop-down field. To name the custom stamp, type its name into the Name field. Check the Downsample Stamp to Reduce File Size checkbox to ensure the stamp is not too large. Finally, click the OK button to create the custom stamp. To edit a custom stamp you created in Acrobat, right-click the custom stamp in the list of stamps in the Stamps window. Then select the Edit command to reopen the Create Custom Stamp dialog box again, make your changes, and then click the OK button to finish. Separately, to delete a custom stamp in Acrobat, right-click the custom stamp in the list of stamps in the Stamps window. Then select the Delete command to immediately delete the custom stamp. To close the Stamps window when you are finished using the stamps in Acrobat, click the X button in the Window's upper right corner. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.